Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji and today we are going to talk about how to split the material of the surface of the wall and how to work with the items under edit type. So let's say I want to duplicate this wall. I want to go to edit. If you hit preview, you're going to see the preview of the wall, and notice that the preview has two modes. You can see either the floor plan or the section. Okay, and it's important to move from floor plan to section when you want to add like items from this category to your wall. So you notice that we worked with sweeps and reveals. I want to show you a different way on how to set up sweeps using these elements here. If I change this to floor plan, these items are not active. Go to section view, sweeps. Let's say we want to have a seal cast at the top of the wall. I can add one profile. I can change this to one of these items. Apply. I need to, you see it's created over there. I need to move it from base to top. And now it's over there. You see the width is a little bit narrow. I can change this to like 350, apply again. And you can keep working with the other elements. If you can flip it, we don't need to flip it in this case. Okay, so if I say, for instance, OK and OK, this wall is gonna have the seal cap already, and then you can select the other walls and maybe change them to the same wall type. Right, so you don't have to do them one by one. Let's do more changes. I'm gonna go back to edit type, edit. This is on section, sweep. How about we have some items at the bottom of the wall? I want to add one more. It's going to be at the base. I want to change this to one of the brick soldier cores. Apply. It's over there. I want to change the material to brick soldier cores. Apply. We can also add one more on the inside of the wall. So this is the outside, this is the inside. If you add one more and change the exterior to interior and change this to like any other type, or you can actually create your own profile. These are the profiles that we already created and use one of them here. If the location is not correct, you can work with distance. For instance, if I move this by about 10 centimeters up, now it's on the correct location. Feel free to change the material. Maybe this is a wood cornice at the bottom of the wall inside. And maybe that one, the parapet cap, is some kind of concrete. This seems good. I want to say OK. If you want to add more sweeps and move them up, you can also do that. For instance, I change the distance for the next sweep to be like 2 meters above and apply. It's going to create sweeps over there, right? But I don't want to do it for now. I want to delete the last one. Apply, OK, and OK. Now you see that we have the brick soldier at the bottom, we have the parapet cap at the top, and we also have that layer at the inside of the wall. Let's get back to edit type, edit. So we work with sweeps, you can do the same for reveals here. I would also like to show you something about split region. The split region helps you to actually split the material, right? So let's say if I click on a split region, I can split, and I can click again to split. And if I go to modify, I can adjust the height. If I click on this little split line, maybe it's gonna be 1 meter from the ground, and maybe the second line is like about 2 meters away from that, right? And let's say here in the wall I want to have like concrete instead of the brick. I can go to assign layers. I can insert one new layer. This is also a finish layer, so I need to change this to finish. I need to change the material. And if I click on the new material that I created and assign layers and click on the left side here, it's gonna actually change the split section to the concrete material with the same thickness as the rest of the brick layer. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, apply. Okay. So maybe I want the concrete section to be the same location where we have the windows. If I go to edit group, click on the window, you see the sill height is 0.9 and the height is actually 1800. So I want to go back to the wall, edit type, edit, and I want to go to modify. I want to click on this line. So this is going to be 0.9 meters to match with the sill height of the window, and this line over there is going to be 1.8 meters to match with the height of the window. Okay, apply, okay. And you see that it happens to all the walls because I changed the whole type.